Awkward zooming.
Liar.
I'm not a liar.
Liar. You are guilty.
And that's Jillian. This is Sean. That's Jacqueline. Hey.
Is that your new camera?
No, it's really old. Well, actually, it's not that old. And that's Matthew. He's ugly.
At first, I'm a,
You are.
I'm a platypus, and then I turn into a puffin.
True story.
This is Tristan. Say hi.
And now I'm a walrus.
Say hi. Awkward zooming. Okay. We're done. Awkward zooming of little girls. Okay, that's creepy. Awkward zooming.
The camera. Sorry.
I'm still a walrus.
Awkward zooming. I'm so gonna make a like. Okay, that's next. Too bad I was awkward zooming. Let's go get some eggs. Awkward Okay.
I'm not here.
Awkward.
Sandy.
They're eggs. And geez, that's fabric in the oh my god! That's so cool. Olivia, I know you.
You can't alone.
Zooming in Tristan. Okay. Oh god. Let's go find some. It's not that bright.
Tristan. Oh, my finger.
He's not a puffin. He is a puffin. That's a puffin. That's a puffin. I'm a puffin. He's a puffin. And I'm a puffin. I love these things. I mean, now, ready? This is like, ready?
Funky fresh.
Any dog that does not have suspenders, I want down here now.
Are you videotaping it? I'm so embarrassed.
Hey, so if you're watching this and you're in Honk, I'm just saying that this has been such a fun and like amazing show, and I'll probably never forget it. And I'm really sad because there's a lot of 8th graders that won't be doing the show next year. So yeah, and I'm just saying I love you all, and thank you for making the show fantastic. Bye. Click here for my channel. Click here for